Do we have an offense?
76, as of right now, it sounded like it was a 41 in the parking lot. One shot was fired. Don't know where it went around the side of the building. Another shot was fired before they took off. We're not sure. It doesn't look like anything to hit right now.
And we stop in 40th and 3-2. Just on the stop here, dude.
Hey, put the windows down!
Unit 10-3.
Hands out! Hands out of the car!
He's going to be 10-0.
Alright. Hands out of the car!
The driver or the passenger?
Passenger.
Alright.
Hey, hey!
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Where's he at?
I can't see
Back in the car! Back in the car! Back in the car!
Southbound on 40th.
Let's go!
Tampa, Delta 14 is up. Visual approach, 1 mile.
Don't get too close.
I didn't get any.
Unit 1034, check on the officers. Southbound on 40th, passenger. Looks like they're moving.
This is 1434.
Yeah, we're gonna go call there in one tape.
It's all yours. Alright, 10-4. Southbound on 40th. Passing 26 out.
I'm in pursuit. Charge is going to be 24 on Leo. Traffic is light, road conditions are dry. Speed's approximately 80 miles an hour. Southbound 40th. Going to be looking to go. Stand by.
Stop here.
Come this way!
Any other units responding southbound 40th, block 40th entirely. And nobody come from the south on the southbound lanes. Nobody come from the
Hey,
south.
turn the siren off! Hey, driver! Driver! Come out of the car with your hands up! Driver, come out! Driver, face away! Face away from the back up! Back up! Keep backing up!
Drivers out, suspect still in vehicle.
Female, go to your left! Driver, left! That's right! Go to your left! Go to your left! 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 Stop! Back up! Back up! Keep backing up!
Trying to get a look on the passenger.
Back up!
Brad, I'll hold you over here.